editGPT AI has just hit the market and it's making waves. If you're curious about what makes it stand out or whether it's worth the hype, you're in the right place. In this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this newly released AI software that might just be the game changer you're looking for. First off, one of the biggest selling points of editGPT AI is its ability to optimize content creation with unparalleled ease. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or a business owner, this AI software cuts down editing time dramatically, helping you produce high-quality, tailored content in a fraction of the time. It operates by using cutting-edge, natural language processing algorithms that go beyond basic grammar and spelling fixes. What makes it stand out is its ability to improve the flow, tone, and structure of the content, essential for anyone creating professional-grade copy. And it's not just limited to text correction, it helps you reword sentences for clarity and conciseness, making your content more engaging for readers. Now, the second thing you need to know is the versatility of editGPT AI. It's designed to work across various writing formats. Whether you're drafting blog posts, emails, product descriptions, or social media content, this AI software adapts to your needs. You don't need to learn a whole new system for every format. It's a one-stop solution. Another major feature is the ease of use. It integrates seamlessly into your workflow with a user-friendly interface. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it simple to use, with no steep learning curve. This is a huge benefit for marketers who are already juggling multiple tasks and don't have the time to deal with complicated software. On top of that, editGPT AI is trained to understand context and tone. It doesn't just follow basic commands, it can adjust the content based on the audience you're targeting. This means you can produce content that speaks directly to your desired demographic, whether it's professional, casual, or creative, perfect for brands aiming for specific voice consistency. One thing that often gets overlooked with AI software is privacy and data security. With editGPT AI, your data is secure, and the software adheres to strict privacy guidelines. For digital marketers and content creators handling sensitive information, this is a crucial aspect to consider before making a commitment. A big advantage of editGPT AI is its speed. If you're on a tight deadline or need to churn out multiple pieces of content daily, editGPT will be a lifesaver. It's fast, accurate, and incredibly efficient, saving you hours of manual work. Lastly, if you're wondering whether editGPT AI is worth the investment, here's the kicker. You can try it completely free. Yes, you heard that right. editGPT AI offers a free trial so you can experience everything firsthand before making a purchase decision. So if you're looking to take your content creation to the next level, I highly recommend giving editGPT AI a try. You can access the free trial from the first link below. And before you go, don't forget to check out my list of other recommended AI tools in the description. I've tested thousands of AI softwares, and these are the ones I trust for the best results. That's all for today. Make sure to hit the link, try editGPT for free, and level up your content game.